Hello, guys. It's wonderful to meet with you once again to talk about how to create virtual machine. This is a demonstration. My name is Blessed Baranaka Bayagra. I'm a student of BYU Pathway, currently majoring in information technology. Now, let's dive in. Now, I already have my Windows Server opened here. Now, this Windows Server, let me start this again. If you click on the Start button, you see Server Manager here. Now, on this Server Manager, if you open it, um, we can see something here. Now, if you look at this side, you see Active Directory installed on this system. Now, but first, let's look at the local server. Um, on this, you see that this is the local server. You see the computer name. This the name I used to create this server. Now, this is a domain that is currently on this running on this system, this server. Now, I will expand it for us to look at it very well. Now, if you see the version of the server, the operating system is uh, 205 December data center, which is this. Now let's look at um, the domain that I've created. Now if you click on tools, you come to Active Directory users and computer. Now that open a page here. Now on this page you discover this is the domain that I created. Now in this domain we have some organizational units that I created. I created the um, School Students Succeed Center. In this Student Succeed Center, you see computer, you see group, you see users. Now let's look at users. I created some users here, which is advisors, about 5 different advisors: backup admin, data center, and then domain admin. Now, these are the users that I created here. Now, let's look at the folders. I shared some folders with these users and the permission that they were given. If you look at File Explorer here, on File Explorer, there's a folder here called Ensign Share. If you open it, discover that I have some folders here. We have admin reports, and we also have advising documents. Under admin reports, if you click on admin reports, you look at the properties. Now, from the properties, you can see from security, you see some users that has rights over this very folder. You can see the admin report here, which under the admin report, you discover that it has right to modify, read rights. These are the rights it has to this very folder. Now, because it has to share the folder with some other group. Now, if you look at this property, you also discover from security, we have the SSC manager here, means that SSC manager has rights to modify, read rights. The advisor also has these rights. Now let's look at um, the group policy. Now, if you come back to the server manager there, now if you click on tools, you come back to see group policy manager. Now you see that I actually created a policy here. You click at it, click the arrow, you see domain. If you click on domain, you now see this domain that I created here. Now if you go down, you now see the policies that has been created and is being implemented. Now let's look at this one, this very one here. You click on the arrow again, you see computer group user here. Now if you click on user, you see that this user is linked to, you see staff users settings is linked to this user, and then browser homepage is also linked to the user. Now let's look at and this is the demonstration to show that I've actually created this domain, and and all this has been demonstrated.